Here is baby Emmett playing on his exosaucer with his toys. Look at him playing. Wow. Oh dear, can you put that up, Chris? Thanks. Can you take his hood off for a second and show him bald head? Where's the hair? Where's your hair gone, baby? Oh, that's mean. You'll get it back. It's alright. Can you shake his caterpillar? Now he wants to eat his hands instead. Hey, Bubba. Bubba. Emmett. Emmett. Hello. You can play with this one too. Woo. Woo. Look at that one. You turn around a little bit. Oh. Which one? Caterpillar or the spinny thing? Ooh. Get it. Knock it down.